What's up, guys? I officially reached 260 subscribers on YouTube, and that means I'm officially unqualified to teach a YouTube growth tutorial video. But we're gonna make this video anyways because it's a note on 10 things that I've officially learned during my 10 years on YouTube. Yep, that's right, 10 years, and that's a long time. But I seriously want to make this video because for 10 years I was doing it the completely wrong way. Not because I was lazy, not because I didn't care, but because I was chasing the wrong things and listening to the wrong people. And overall, I was just expecting growth a lot faster than it actually came. And that was very discouraging for me, and so it set me back a long ways on things that I think I can fix now and that I want to teach you guys to fix so that your videos can be even better. So the crazy thing is, in the past month alone, I've gained roughly 1/3 of my total followers. To be completely honest, I've watched hundreds of YouTube videos on how to succeed on YouTube, how to get better, how to grow faster, and I've watched all the tutorials that they make out there. And the one thing I've learned is I'm not a guy with a rented Lamborghini and a thumbnail that says how to grow 100,000 YouTube followers in 7 minutes with an AI prompt and using AI automation. I'm somebody who's here, who's failed, who's uploaded for years, who started several channels, who switched niches, made bad videos, made mistakes, stared at analytics for way too long, and I finally started to learn what actually matters. So in this video, I want to give you 5 real tips and 5 real lessons about growing on YouTube. So yeah, no fake guru advice, but I do have a real hack. I promise you it's a hack, it's a glitch, I don't know what you want to call it, but stay through to number 5 and I will teach you something new, I promise. No fake guru advice, not just manifested nonsense, not short AI automation videos that are, I can grow 1 million followers in 1 month. None of that fake stuff that's gonna make you real, stuff that's gonna grow your content quickly and grow 1/3 of your content in 1 month like I have. So my number 1 and biggest tip I can say overall is make content you can live with. The biggest mistake I see people make is picking a niche that they think will grow fast, not because it's content they can make for years and years. And that's what matters more than people realize. Because when you start YouTube, there's no immediate reward and there's no immediate monetization. You're not getting paid fast, you're not getting crazy views. So if you're not seeing the success, you're gonna quit early. This is not something you're dedicated to. You need to pick a content that's gonna motivate you to do more and something that you can live with making years and not seeing any performance or any growth. So for me, for a long time, I thought my thing was gaming, right? I uploaded gaming videos for nearly 10 years. And the thing is, as I got older, I realized I didn't really care for the games anymore. The thing that I was really playing for was just the community, my friends, and just talking online for hours with other people that enjoyed playing the game. I stopped liking the game so much and I just enjoyed playing with my friends, and it kind of ruined single player games for me. And that's kind of why I turned to streaming so much, was because I realized that that's not what I liked about making gaming content. It was engaging with the viewers, engaging with other people, and engaging with my friends on Discord while I was streaming. So making gaming content became harder and harder, and I started being flat on camera. I started losing my edge, and the viewers feel that faster than you think. So stop picking a niche that where you're thinking, can this blow up? And start picking a niche, can I see myself doing this for 5 years with no growth? Because if the answer is no, it's probably not your niche and you're probably not doing the right thing. You're not building in phases, and phases don't build channels, consistency does. And that's the truth, is you just need to pick one thing and stick to it for a long time. All right, my number 2 tip is stop letting analytics control your emotions. This is a hard one for me because I struggle with it. If you're consistently refreshing YouTube Studio every 10 minutes, you're gonna drive yourself insane. Small channels grow really slow, painfully slow. And when you're slow, every upload feels personal and it hurts a little bit. If a video flops, you feel like you flopped and you kind of crush yourself over it. If your views are low, you start thinking, I'm too boring. My channel's dead. YouTube hates me. Maybe the algorithm is rigged against me. But most of the time, that's not what's happening. Most of the time, you were just early and that's it. You're early on your content, you're early on your niche, and you just haven't grown enough yet. Stop thinking about it of, I only gained 50 subscribers this month. Start thinking it's 50 real humans, and imagine yourself in a room with 50 real people. That's a lot of people in a room. Start imagining that every month, and that's gonna help you make real growth. And then you just keep adding 50 people every month. That's not earned growth, that's momentum. I mean, that's a lot of people in a room every month. I mean, I've gained 72 people this month alone, and that's huge. I couldn't fill a room with 72 people. Not a single room in my house can hold 72 people. Don't let that become your mood for the day because your video didn't do good. Don't get depressed and not upload for a day. Just check the analytics once a week, maybe. Even if then, just keep making your content and ignore the analytics and make what you want to make and enjoy your content. Number 3, this is one that I'm very personal about. Stop comparing yourself to fake internet success stories. This is a toxic trap on YouTube that so many creators are causing right now. Their thumbnail is going to say, I gained 1 million subscribers in 30 days to prove that YouTube is easy, or that it's not luck. And suddenly you look at your channel and you're like, I'm doing everything wrong. I need to do what this guy's doing. That's not the truth. That's a lot of cherry picking, exaggerating, misleading, and massive missing content. Most of the time they already had an audience that's just going to discover them on a new platform, right? They're growing. They spent money. They got lucky sometimes. I mean, honestly, let's be real. And the whole thing is just packaged to sell you a course, to sell you a video so that they can get 100,000 views off of that video, 1 million views, however many views they get, because you're desperate and you're looking up that video. I'm desperate. I was looking up that video not 3 weeks ago. I'm looking it up every day. But normal growth is just posting a video you believe in, getting barely any views, learning something, and then posting again and improving a little bit more. Start thinking, what did I do right in this video? What did I do wrong? Is my hook better? Is my thumbnail better? Are my topics clear? Am I more confident on the camera? Am I growing as a creator every video? So number 4, this ties into what we were just talking about. Enjoy the slow burn, because this is where you actually learn on YouTube. And I'm going to be honest, YouTube growth is not linear. It's weird, it's inconsistent, sometimes it's lucky, sometimes it's frustrating, and a lot more exponential than people want to admit. That means for a long time it can feel like nothing's happening, and then suddenly one video does a lot better, then another, and then an old one starts getting picked up, and then your channel starts making sense, and then all of a sudden it dies again. I mean, that's just YouTube, and that's how it is. It's phases. I mean, but the truth be told, where you're at on these videos is the training ground. It's how you figure out how to make a video, how to title the video, how to write a description, how to make a thumbnail, how to add tags, all the little things that are going to make your video succeed in the long run. You're learning right now, and these things aren't going to happen overnight. So stop thinking about the impressive numbers you could have or that you have on one video, and start thinking about the early stages and the things you were learning. All right, I promised you a hack. So number 5, here's my hack, and it's something I've personally tested hundreds of times. You think I'm joking? Look at how many uploads I have on my channel. Look at how successful some videos are, and look at how bad some others flop. I've tested this a lot. YouTube and other creators will not tell you this, and in fact, other creators will tell you the exact opposite thing. Do not listen to them. I promise you right now, this is something I've tested. I've tested this on long form videos, and I've tested this on shorts. Do not watch your own video when it's unlisted. I promise you, your video will flop. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a glitch in YouTube. I don't know if it's a hack. I don't know what you want to call it, but your video will flop if you watch it before you upload. I've tested it. If you wait for your video to go public and then you watch it after you publish it as public, it'll do 10 times better and the algorithm will pick it up. But if you watch your video when it's unlisted, it'll never get picked up in the algorithm. You might get some viewers from subscribers and you might get some viewers from the search, but you will not get it in the algorithm. I promise. So if you're a small creator, here's what I want to leave you with. You're not going to go viral tomorrow. You don't need 100,000 subscribers in the next month. You don't need to copy every trend. You don't need to get on the right niche. All you need is discipline and honesty to yourself. Enough patience and things will come right. You just have to be patient, keep uploading, and keep making solid content. Consistency is the key. I hate to say that because I know everyone says it, but consistency is the key. Upload, 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 and 100 uploads and you'll get 100 subscribers. At 100 uploads, you might get 100 subscribers, and that's fine. Just keep grinding. It's a grind. It is a grind, I promise. So if you're a small creator, tell me if you took anything from this video. I really want to hear from you guys. I know I'm a small creator and I'm staying on the grind, and let me know if you can review my channel, and if there's anything you think I can improve on, I'm willing to listen. Let me know. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.